No matter how great is your company's vision, great vision without hiring great people is just an illusion. Finding great people can be a daunting task. Are you a recruiter, wasting your time posting the jobs on social media platforms, sorting through piles of resumes, and still not finding the right candidates? We at Manufacturing.pk understand your pain. That's why we have developed a powerful talent marketplace to connect you with great people. Explore the listings of professionals, consultants, freelancers, and trainers with their geolocations, skill matrices, experiences, and other dynamic filters tailored to your specific needs. Easily sort the talent with their compelling digital profile, showing their professional journey with background in engineering, supply chain, business development, HR and IT, accounts, cost management, and other professional acumen. Our advanced technology and customized filters helps you reduce your cost per hire and time to hire, thereby improving the quality of your talent acquisition process. Develop your user-friendly and easily editable website for talent acquisition and show them reason to join you. Start your journey to transform your vision into reality. Start hiring great people using Manufacturing.pk. Contact us now.